Hello everyone, good morning students. Today we will study about the chapter Reproduction in Animals. Chapter 4. Yes, do you know what is reproduction? Okay, I will tell you what is reproduction. Reproduction is the word which is made up of two words, re plus production. Re means again and production means to create. So, reproduction occurs in two ways. First is by laying eggs and second is by giving birth to young ones. So, we are able to understand it that animals reproduce by two ways. Firstly is by laying eggs and the second is by giving birth to young ones. So, firstly, we will study about the animals that lay eggs. Can you guess some animals which lay eggs? Yes, these are birds, fishes, insects, reptiles and amphibians. Like the birds. You know that birds lay eggs. So, firstly, we will study about the structure of the egg. Have you ever seen an egg sold in the market? Yes, it is white in color and this white outer covering of the egg, it is called the shell and it is very hard also, and due to its hardness it protects the inside soft parts of the egg like yolk and albumin. Inside the shell there are two parts. The yellow part of the egg is called yolk and the white part of the egg is called albumin. Do you know what is the function of albumin and yolk? Yes, yolk provides the food to the inner growing embryo. Embryo means the baby which is growing inside the egg. And what does albumin do? Albumin, it protects the baby growing inside the egg. So, altogether these two things protects the egg. Sorry. So, both these things, albumin and yolk, they altogether protects the baby growing inside the egg and feed it also. And you know it, कि birds sit on their eggs to provide them warmness, and this warmth provides the egg to develop inside. Do you know why do birds sit on the eggs? Birds sit on the eggs to provide warmth to the eggs. And this process of providing warmth to the eggs is called incubation. And after some time, shell breaks. The baby birds come out. Sometime when the shell breaks and the baby birds comes out of it, and this process of coming out of the baby bird is called hatching. Baby birds are not able to fly because they do not have feathers, and when they develop their feathers and they are able to learn how to fly and they are able to feed themselves, only then the mother birds leave them into the sky or into the open world. Now we move towards the insects. Insects, there are so many insects you must have seen in your surroundings like butterflies, grasshoppers, cockroaches. They also lay eggs. So, we know that almost all the animals, they have different stages in their life cycles. Of each and every animal, there are different stages. So the animals undergo many changes during their life cycle and it is called metamorphosis. Now we move towards the insects. They also lay eggs like cockroaches, grasshoppers, butterflies, houseflies, etc. They have three stages in their life cycles. Like grasshopper. Grasshopper lays eggs and then it converts into the larva, which is called nymph. The larva of the grasshopper or the cockroach, it is known as nymph. And after some days, it changes into an adult grasshopper or adult cockroach. Similarly, we see in case of butterfly also. Butterflies also lays eggs and these eggs convert into the larva, and this larva is known as caterpillar. And this caterpillar or the larva, it changes into the pupa, and this pupa again changes into an adult butterfly. So there are four stages in the life cycle of a butterfly. Reptiles also lay eggs like lizards, turtles, snakes and crocodiles. Mother turtles do not take care of their young ones. They just leave their eggs in the open area and these babies take care of themselves. Mother turtles do not take care of their eggs, while the crocodiles make nest for them and they take care of their young ones till they learn to feed. Besides these, amphibians like frogs, they also lay eggs. Frogs also lay eggs and these eggs convert into the larva, which is known as tadpole. Tadpole is just like a fish. After some days, a tail develops and small legs also develop into the tadpole. And after that, it changes into the young frog with a small tail, and then this young frog changes into an adult frog, losing its tail. Now we come to the animals that give birth to the babies. Do you know what do we call them? The animals which give birth to the babies? Yes, we call them mammals. Mammals, why do we say them mammals? Because they have hair on their body and they feed their young ones with their milk, including human beings like dogs, cats, monkeys, tigers, lions and cows. All these are known as mammals. But there are few mammals which have a pouch attached to their bodies, like kangaroos. They carry their babies inside these pouch for taking care of them. So such type of animals are known as marsupials. In this way, we studied about different types of animals and their different ways of reproduction. I think you must have got it. Thank you.